Ultimate Guide: What to do when you lost Android data. Discover the essential steps and expert tips for recovering lost data on your Android device. Whether it's photos, contacts, messages, or files, this comprehensive guide will walk you through data recovery to get your precious information back in no time. With over 2.5 billion people using Android smartphones worldwide, these devices have become a big part of our lives. Android is popular, with about 70.94% of all mobile phones. Since so many people use Android phones, the data saved on these phones is valuable. This includes things like special memories and important information. Having a reliable Android data recovery tool is very important in this situation. These tools help you regain your lost data if you accidentally delete it, your phone stops working correctly, updates mess up your phone, you erase everything on your phone without backing it up first, or even if your phone's hardware breaks. This ultimate guide aims to provide comprehensive solutions and steps to take when losing data on your Android device. Part 1. Preparing for data loss. The best way to protect your data from loss is to back it up regularly. Google account backups and third-party backup solutions are two main ways to back up your Android data. Google account backups. Google account backups are a convenient way to protect your data if you use Google services like Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. These backups typically include your contacts, calendar events, app data, and device settings. To use Google account backups. On Android devices, go to Settings System Backup to enable automatic backups to your Google account. On iOS devices, you can back up your Google data by installing the Google Drive app and enabling backups within the app. Third-party backup solutions. Third-party backup solutions offer more extensive backup options for various devices and data types. These solutions can include dedicated backup software or cloud-based services from providers like iCloud for Apple devices, Dropbox, or Microsoft OneDrive. To use third-party backup solutions, choose a reliable provider and follow their setup instructions. Ensure your chosen solution covers the data and devices you want to protect. Set up automated backups to ensure your data is continuously backed up. Third-party solutions often offer flexibility, cross-platform support, and the ability to back up files, photos, videos, and more. Evaluate your needs to select the best solution for you. Setting up automated backups. Automated backups ensure your data is consistently protected without manual intervention. Here are steps to set up automated backups. Identify the data you want to back up, such as photos, documents, or system settings. Choose the appropriate backup method, such as Google account backups or a third-party solution. Configure backup settings to run at regular intervals, such as daily or weekly. Enable automatic backup on your devices, ensuring they are connected to the internet. Importance of regular data synchronization. Data synchronization ensures that your data is consistent across multiple devices and backup locations. It's crucial to maintain synchronization for several reasons. Accessibility. Sync data can be accessed from any device with the appropriate permissions, enhancing flexibility and convenience. Data integrity. Synchronization helps prevent discrepancies and conflicts when multiple devices access the same data. Disaster recovery. If one device or backup location fails, synchronized data on other devices or backups remains unaffected. To maintain data synchronization, use cloud storage services that support automatic synchronization. Enable synchronization features in apps and services that offer them. Periodically check the synchronization status to ensure data consistency. Part 2. Steps to take immediately. Here are a few steps you should take immediately before you recover Android data. Stay calm and assess the situation. In data loss or inaccessibility, remaining calm and composed is essential. Panic can lead to hasty decisions that may worsen the situation. Take a deep breath and proceed with a systematic approach to address the issue effectively. Check if data is temporarily inaccessible. You can do this in the following ways. Restarting the device. A simple device restart can resolve the issue if your data suddenly becomes inaccessible. Restarting the device can clear temporary glitches that may be causing data access problems. Checking cloud synchronization status. If you rely on cloud storage or synchronization services, verify the status of your cloud account or service. To check cloud synchronization status, open the cloud storage or synchronization app on your device. Ensure you are logged in and connected to the internet. Verify that your files or data are up to date and properly synced. Identifying the scope of data loss. Once you've ruled out temporary issues, assess the extent of data loss. Determine which specific data or files are affected and which remain intact. This assessment will help you understand the severity of the situation and what actions are necessary. Avoiding actions that may exacerbate the issue. Refraining from taking actions that could worsen the data loss situation is crucial. Don't attempt risky recovery methods. Unless you are experienced in Android file recovery, avoid DIY methods that may lead to further data loss. In a few cases, professional data recovery services may be necessary. Don't disassemble hardware. If data loss is due to a physical issue with a storage device, do not attempt to open or repair it yourself. Seek professional assistance to prevent further damage. Avoid unnecessary software installations. Installing new software or running unfamiliar tools can interfere with data recovery efforts. Only use trusted and well-documented recovery tools if you attempt data recovery independently. Conclusion. In this comprehensive guide to Android data recovery, we've covered essential data loss prevention and recovery aspects. Key takeaways include the importance of regular backups, understanding data recovery methods, and knowing when to seek professional assistance. Preparedness is the key to avoiding data loss. Regularly back up your data, implement data protection practices, and educate yourself and your organization about data recovery options. Data loss can happen to anyone, and sharing this guide with friends, family, and colleagues can help them protect their valuable data and make informed decisions when faced with data loss. Together, we can reduce the impact of data loss incidents and ensure the safety of our digital information.